Pattern 22. Step 1. 1. I can't wait for my birthday. 2. I can't wait for my vacation. 3. I can't wait to see my sister. 4. I can't wait for the concert. 5. I can't wait for this week to be over. Step 2. 1. Are you excited about performing in the play?
Yes, I can't wait for opening night.
I'm sure you will do a wonderful job.
Thanks.
Two. I can't wait for Mom to come home.
You've really missed her, haven't you?
Yes, I hate it when she goes on business trips.
Well, she will be home soon.